Hi guys, today I wanna show you how to run the self-test on whirpool washing machine. I think it works on any whirpool washing machine. So what you do is you pick any three buttons except the power button, and within 8 seconds you just press 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So now it's in the diagnostic mode, and the second button will run the automatic self-test. There's no manual test. You have to run the automatic self-test. As soon as you press the second button, it will start testing the devices like solenoids, drain pump, spinning, and so on. Okay, that's it guys. See you on the next one.